Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to easily convert documents to PDF on your mobile device. First, open the document you wish to convert, whether it is a Word document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation file. Most modern mobile operating systems and applications offer a convenient, built-in method for this task. Look for the Share or Export option within your document editing app to begin the conversion process without needing additional software. This method is often the quickest and most efficient way to generate a PDF from your existing files. Many popular document applications, like Google Docs or Microsoft Word for mobile, integrate PDF conversion directly into their sharing features. Simply open your document in the app, then tap on the three vertical dots or the share icon to reveal more options. Within this menu, you will typically find a print command. When you select print, look for an option to save as PDF or print to PDF instead of choosing a physical printer. This allows you to generate and save your PDF document to your device's storage in just a few taps. For more control, or if your app lacks a built-in option, consider using a dedicated PDF converter application. Apps such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, WPS Office, or similar tools are available for free download from your mobile app store. Once installed, you can open your document directly within these apps or import it for conversion. These dedicated applications often provide extra features like merging multiple documents, reordering pages, or even basic editing before final conversion. They offer a powerful solution for frequent PDF conversion needs on your mobile device. When you prefer not to install new applications, online converter websites offer a fantastic alternative. Simply open your mobile web browser and navigate to a reputable online PDF converter like Smolpt, I Love PDF, or Soda PDF. You will then be prompted to upload your document directly from your device's storage. After a short processing time, typically a few seconds to 1 minute, the website will generate your PDF. You can then download the newly converted PDF file directly back to your mobile phone, making it accessible offline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.